Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make these origami frogs. So, like real frogs, they can hop. For the large frog, you need a piece of construction paper or normal paper. First, you take the first corner and line it up with the edge. Then you unfold it and do it on the same thing on the other side. Then you unfold it again. That looks like an X. Take the sides of the X and fold them in so you have this funnel. And then you push down the top of the funnel to get a triangle. Then take one side of the triangle, fold it upwards. Do the same on the other side. Then fold them down on top of each other. Those will be the frog's front legs. Then fold in the sides. Fold up the bottom and fold it back. Flip it over and you've got a frog. For decoration, you can use googly eyes like I did on this one, or you can draw the eyes on, which I'm doing for this one. You can draw the eyes wherever you want. And then you've got a frog, who also has a face. If you're interested in seeing more photos or to get step-by-step instructions, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needlepointers.com. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other paper folding projects and tutorials.